The OSHA Forklift Checklist for 2025. A comprehensive step-by-step guide to ensure your business remains fully compliant with OSHA's Powered Industrial Truck Standard 29 CFR 1910.178. Perfect for safety managers, HR professionals, and operations leaders. Section 1. Determine who needs certification. Properly identifying who requires forklift certification is the foundation of OSHA compliance. Many organizations fall short by underestimating who qualifies as a forklift operator. Number 1. Identify all employees who operate powered industrial trucks. Include forklifts, pallet jacks, order pickers, and reach trucks. Number 2. Include full-time, part-time, seasonal, temporary workers in the audit. OSHA does not differentiate between employee status. That includes temporary workers. That's a big one. Number 3. Cross-reference job descriptions and actual duties. Many operators perform tasks beyond their titles. Number 4. Review departments regularly to catch changes in responsibilities or new hires who require certification. Why it matters. Misclassification puts the company at risk. Non-certified operators present a major liability in case of injury or inspection. Section 2. Administrative compliance. A compliance safety system includes proper documentation, internal policies, and visibility. OSHA inspectors will ask to see written evidence, not just verbal claims. Number 1. Maintain a written forklift safety policy that outlines training requirements, operation procedures, and recertification timelines. Number 2. Post OSHA compliant safety signage and operational rules prominently in all areas where forklifts are used. Number 3. Use a centralized tracking system or software to monitor each operator's certification status and expiration date. Number 4. Schedule and automate renewal reminders. Certification lapses are a major red flag in inspections. And number 5. Maintain a comprehensive training log for each employee, including dates, instructor names, equipment used, and outcomes. Pro tip: digitize your admin workflow and compliance software. Paper files are prone to loss, and spreadsheets can be error-prone. Section number 3, training requirements. Training isn't just a formality, it's a core OSHA mandate. Your forklift operator training program must cover both general safety operating procedures and site-specific hazards. Required components. Number 1, formal instruction. This can be delivered via online courses, videos, or classroom lectures. Make sure the content aligns with OSHA's regulation. Number 2, practical training. Instructors should demonstrate the operation of equipment and allow trainees hands-on experience in a controlled setting. Number 3, performance evaluation. A qualified evaluator must observe the operator's performance and sign off on their ability to use the equipment safely. Number 4, OSHA mandated topics. Truck operation instructions, warning labels, and safety precautions. Differences between PITs and standard automobiles. Driving in the front, steering in the front versus steering in the back. Instrumentation, steering, braking, and control systems. Refueling, battery charging, and maintenance basics. Load handling, stacking, unstacking, stability principles. Operation limitations, ability restrictions. Environmental factors such as ramps, inclined surface types, and pedestrian zones. Safety procedures for specific work conditions, i.e. cold storage and loading docks. Company-specific protocols and hazard zones. Common mistake. Some companies use generic training that fails to address their unique environment. Tailoring your content is not optional, it's required. Section 4, evaluation and certification. Certification is the moment when an operator is fully officially approved, but only if done correctly. Number 1, conduct a performance evaluation on the exact equipment the employee will be using. Evaluate a worker on a sit-down forklift does not certify them to use a stand-up reach truck. The evaluation must be conducted by a qualified trainer, not a peer, friend, or team lead without training authority. Each operator must receive a detailed certificate of successful completion. This document must include name, evaluation date, trainer signature, and equipment type. Store certification records in a centralized retrievable archive. OSHA inspectors may request historical data on demand. Maintain an equipment matrix listing which employees are certified for which models of equipment. Section 5, recertification and triggers. Many companies miss OSHA recertification windows, and it's a costly mistake. Reevaluate and retrain every 3 years. This is a federal requirement regardless of whether any incidents have occurred. Provide immediate retraining if any of the following triggers occur. Operators observe operating the PIT in an unsafe manner. Operators involved in a forklift-related accident or near miss. Operators assigned to a different type of PIT or a new working environment. Best practice: conduct rolling recertifications quarterly to prevent everyone expiring at once. Section 6, document retention. When OSHA comes knocking, documentation is your legal shield. Maintain digital or physical equipment records for training for at least 5 years. Each record should include employee name and ID, type of training provided, training dates, instructor full name and qualification, equipment used, evaluation result. Organize documents by location and department so that they're easy to retrieve. Security tip: cloud-based systems ensure data isn't lost to hardware failures, fire, or personnel turnover. Section 7, equipment and site-specific safety. Even with certified operators, unique equipment or working conditions can lead to major violations. Number 1, perform a pre-operation inspection at the beginning of every shift. Use a standardized checklist. Number 2, common inspection items include tire condition, brake function, warning lights, alarms, horns and backup system, fluid levels, load back rest, seat belt function, really important seat belt function. Immediate tag and remove any PIT from service if it fails inspection. Maintain and maintenance records, service logs, and repair histories. Important: OSHA expects that you not only perform inspections, but that you can prove you did. Section 8, bonus. Employee safety culture. Compliance is the floor, not the ceiling. Companies that cultivate a strong safety culture outperform in risk mitigation and employee engagement. 1, conduct monthly safety meetings, refreshers, or toolbox talks focused on forklift best practices. 2, empower employees to report safety concerns anonymously or through dedicated channels. 3, encourage near-miss reporting to prevent future accidents. 4, recognize and reward safe behavior to build a culture of accountability. Involve leadership in walkthroughs and public commitment to safety. Pro tip: culture wins. When operators feel ownership of safety, not fear, they make better decisions in real time. So I urge you to take the next step. If you're managing more than a few operators or sites, manual compliance tracking eventually will fail. ForkliftCertification.com automates everything: certificate tracking, renewal alerts, OSHA-ready documents, role-based dashboards. No spreadsheets, no panic when inspectors show up. So I urge you to get started today and just fill up the sink.